Okay, so once you're logged in as a venue, the first thing you want to do is complete your onboarding, which is this section right here. This is step 1 of 6, complete your venue profile. Along this journey, you're going to get to a point to where you're going to post a gig. And you can either post a gig from the nav here, or you can go to your quick actions and press this button here to post a gig. So this is the post a gig page. And on this page, you will fill out all of this information about your gig. Here in the event description, you can also detail information about auditions if you want to hold auditions. You will select public. This is default, so everyone can see this gig. I'll talk more about private gigs later, but this is where you'll upload your flyer. This is where you will select your act size, but any different type of act size can apply to any gig. So just because you select band here, it doesn't mean that only bands can apply here. Solo acts or duo acts or trio acts can also apply for this gig as well. Here you'll select how many bands you want or how many solo acts you want. You can have one or you can have many. Here you will put in the pay. So this pay represents the pay for every act. So if it's just one act here, one band you're looking for, you will put the amount here that you are going to pay this band, that you are offering to pay this band. So, and here you'll see that the calculations are broken down. So BandGigz gets a 10% fee. The artist receives this much, and this is a non-refundable processing fee to Stripe. And then the total cost to you is how much you as the venue will end up paying total. And here, this is where your venue name is and your address will be. Also, more information about your business. So down here at the bottom, you can save this as a template. If you select this, you can save it as a template if you give it a name, and then you'll be able to access the templates later on if you want to create another gig similar to this one. So after you fill out all of this information, you'll hit review gig. So after you click review gig on the post a gig page, now you'll get to this page where you will review the gig that you just posted. So I have put in some mock information here so I can post this gig. So you will look over this and make sure that all of this is right. If it's not right, then you can click the edit button right here and you'll go back to the post a gig page to make any corrections you need to make. So after you look this information over, you'll click confirm and post, and then this gig will be posted to the browse gigs page. So I'll do that right now. So I'll click this button and it says your gig is live. And then you can go here to browse gigs, or you can go to view my gigs or post another gig. But now I'm going to browse gigs to see this gig. So this is the browse gigs page. This is where all public gigs will be seen by all artists or venues. So the gig that we posted was this one here, test gig, and here it is. And if you click the gig card, you'll be able to see more information. But since I'm logged in as a venue, I cannot apply for this gig. Only artists can apply for this gig. So this is what it would look like once your gig is posted. And you can also share this gig as well. You can copy the link and post this on whatever social media website you're on. So that is how you post a gig.